In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks effortlessly on Monday.com. This simple and intuitive process will help streamline your workflow, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks and focus on what truly matters. So let's dive in and explore how you can set this up with ease. First, we'll begin by heading over to Monday.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login button and give it a click. It's usually positioned prominently on the page, making it easy for you to access your account. If you're new or haven't signed in yet, don't worry, simply click on Login. Next, we will select the Google Login option to quickly access your account using your Google credentials. Choose the Google account associated with your Monday.com profile, and you'll be logged in and ready to go. Once inside, it's time to navigate to your specific board where you need to set up recurring tasks. This could be any board within your workspace, so select the one that you're focused on. Your board serves as the starting point for setting up your automations. Now let's head over to the top right corner of your screen and look for the Automate button. Clicking this button will open a world of automation options, helping you to streamline your operations. Choose the option to create a new automation. It's straightforward. Just follow the prompts. You're nearly halfway through the process now. When the automation prompt appears, you'll be presented with the option that'll say, "When this happens." Here's where you need to type "every" in the search bar. This will help locate the recurring time period automation. Once you see the every time period option, click on it. This step is crucial for introducing the recurring element into your task management. In the next step, you need to set the recurrence. Decide how frequently you want the tasks to repeat. It could be every day, week, month, or any other time frame that suits your workflow. Selecting the right time frame is essential to ensure that your tasks appear in a timely manner, keeping your projects on schedule. The final step involves defining the action that occurs when the parameter is met. For example, you might choose to create a new task or notify a team member. This ensures that the necessary actions are taken automatically at your defined intervals. Lastly, click on Create Automation. With this final click, your automation sequence will be saved and activated, and there you go. Your recurring tasks are now set up to trigger effortlessly. Congratulations, you've successfully set up recurring tasks on Monday.com. Enjoy a smoother workflow and spend more time on the creative and strategic aspects of your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more automation possibilities to keep optimizing your productivity.